Oh man, Instagram made me buy it again. What's going on? Today I'm going to be doing a review and a demo of the Pony O, the really interesting alternative to a hair elastic. I am that person on Instagram and Facebook that sees an ad and buys it. My husband goes scrolling, he's like, who actually buys this shit? And I'm sitting there being like, I don't know, babe. I don't know who buys it. I don't know who buys it. I buy it. I buy all of it. I buy all of it. It's targeted ads that cater to people like me that love these gadgety products. So we're gonna try it today. I'm gonna let you know if the Pony O is worth your hard-earned cash, and we're gonna see if it does what it says it's supposed to. My name is Gabby, and welcome to Glam Girl Gabby, your place to come hang out and learn about all things glam, that's hair, makeup, and fashion. If you haven't done so already, then don't forget to hit that subscribe button, ding that bell notification button, and hang out with me every single week and learn about all the shit that I buy online. So what the hell is the Pony O? Well, according to the website, it is the only hair accessory that you will ever need. Basically, it is this little tool that is like this it's not stretchy, it's a wiry ring that you put your hair through, you bend on both sides, it will give you a voluminous ponytail. That is what sold me on it. I have quite fine hair. So when I saw this on Instagram and on Facebook, I saw the ad of the girl putting her hair up in this voluminous, super sexy ponytail. I was sold. I was sold. And how much was I sold for? Let me tell you. Alrighty, so I purchased the Pony O 2-piece, 2.0 and original, which basically means that I got my regular big Pony O as well as a smaller Pony O. So it came in this 2-pack. I wanted both of them because I think it will allow me to have some versatility in my styling. So both of them together came to $19.95. I had a small discount code for 10% off. So the subtotal was $17.96. My shipping was $7.95. So my total was $25.91 US. I know what you're thinking. I know that you're judging me right now. That is one hell of an elastic, expensive elastic. That should be one hell of an elastic because this is expensive elastic. But the before and afters on the website, and I'll pop them up right now, looks pretty amazing. So I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do 2 different styles, a half up, half down style, using the smaller new Pony O, and I'm gonna do like an actual voluminous ponytail using the original Pony O, and then I'm also gonna do it with my hair elastic, and we will compare them side by side to see if there's a difference and to see if it's worth $25 US for a quote-unquote hair elastic. Before we even get into it, I want to do a quick little demo on how this thing works. I've been watching a ton of other YouTube videos, and I think some people are a little bit confused on how the apparatus actually works. So they're getting some like sagging results and drooping results. So what you want to do is you want to turn the Pony O into a circle so it looks like this. You want to feed your hair through it this way. Then you're going to clamp it first horizontally. Then you're going to grab end number 1. You're going to turn it in on itself, and then you're gonna grab end number 2 and you are gonna turn it in on itself again so that it turns into this shape. See? That is going to solve all of your problems. So let's do our hair half up and half down using an original elastic. So I'm just gonna go ahead, brush my hair into that style, put my elastic around it, and then we'll take a look at how it sits. Let's try the exact same style with the Pony O and see what happens. Okay, so I noticed a difference. I really didn't want to be sold on this because, you know, it's just something else that I need to buy and tell you guys to buy, but I'm kind of sold. So the biggest difference that I notice is you get this like oomph here. You get this like sprouty effect, which is a little like high school. I know, like I'm in my mid-30s, but it's oh my God, it's just so cute. It gives you like that voluminous look. Okay, let's try it with the ponytail, okay? Let's try with the ponytail. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my hair in a high ponytail with an original elastic. We'll take a look at that, and then we'll put it up with our Pony O and see what happens. This is gonna be the Pony O original that I'm using, so it's thicker. Final thoughts on this product. Would I buy it again? I would. I do like it, even though it's pretty expensive. I think at the end of the day, if you're using a ponytail a lot and you're going through elastics a lot because they get old and they snap and all that stuff, then having one of these is pretty awesome. It holds your ponytail in place all day long. It does feel really secure. I wouldn't say that it gives me like mind-blowing volume or makes me super happy like the girls on the website. Like those girls are so happy. Like I wish a ponytail could make me feel that happy. But overall, I think it's a good quality product. It's a little overpriced. Well, a lot overpriced, but regardless of it, it does definitely do its job. Can I live without it? Totally, I can. But would I buy it again? I would. I like it. I think it's pretty awesome. Let me know if you have tried the Pony O before. If you guys struggle with voluminous ponytails, I have a few tutorials under my belt that I can make to give you really sexy like event hair. So if you want me to do event hairstyle tutorials, like an event hair ponytail, then leave it in the comment section below and I'll make that video for you. Thank you so much for watching. As always, I love ya.